Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Nika Z, Nika Zoomer, and I'm here with my dad.
This is Arnie B, Arnie
And
Boomer.
collectively, we are known as
Boomer and Zoomer.
So, before we get into our main topic, as always, we have the BNZ Q&A. Today's question is from Instagram. If you don't follow our Instagram,
Yes,
make sure
subscribe.
to follow our Instagram, BNZ Podcast on Instagram and TikTok, and also subscribe to YouTube and rate us on Spotify. So, our question is from Instagram user Ali Libo, who said, "How do you manage finances as an adult?" You want to go first or me?
I can go first, daughter.
Okay.
But I think mine is very simple, daughter. How do I manage our finances? No.
Your,
Well,
our,
at least
yeah.
mom's and our family's finances. How do we manage our family's finances? Well, definitely you have to live within your means, number one. From the start, from the time you got married, daughter, we always live within our means. So if you notice, the time that we started going out of the country was when I retired.
By the way, guys, I was like 4 years old.
Yes, when I retired from corporate, no? Because during that time, we already had enough funds no, to travel as a family. Kasi tayo, marami tayo eh. Diba? We're, siguro, hindi na common nowadays to have a big family.
Yeah.
We're 9,
Yeah.
7 children. Diba? So when we go out, it's always times 9. For food, for lodging, etc. So, siyempre, nung na-feel natin na we have enough funds already, we started going out of the country. Before that, we were living within our means. Diba? Tapos, since we got married, ang mami mo kasi, ang strength ng mami mo is investment. Your mom is a risk taker. So yun ang maganda sa family natin. Kasi ako, I'm very conservative sa investments. Your mom is more of a risk taker. So maganda yun. It helps us a lot because I support your mom. No? Kasi mayroon mga minsan that your mom wants to invest on something, I would say my piece. Sometimes I will argue with her. No? Pero sa huli, diba, sa huli, I would have to support her. And with God's help, of course, no? And we're lucky also. Most of our investments naman
Did
are
well,
okay, no?
yeah.
Are okay. So yun. So aside from living within your means, definitely you have to invest wisely. And you have to set priorities. Ano ba yung mga importante mo na dapat gastusin, no? Sa akin, number one would be, well, definitely yung, the basics, no? Shelter,
Shelter, food.
food, di ba? Utilities, yun, the basics, di ba? Yung basic for you to survive, no? Tapos, siyempre, ang isang must doon would be education. So, kami, ng mami mo, we save a lot, no? We talk about mga Kurips tips, di ba? We make fun of Kurips tips. But as far as education is concerned, hindi natin tinitipid yun, no? So,
Yes.
kumbaga, we try to give you guys the best education possible, no? In the Philippines, di ba? Sa awa ng Diyos naman, daughter, graduate na kayo lahat, no? You're practically done because you just passed your thesis. No?
Yes,
So you will
so-
just wait for your
Graduation.
graduation,
Waiting for
no? So,
graduation.
yun, yung mga key. So, kung isa-summarize ko, live within your means, invest wisely, and know your priorities. Yun.
Okay, so for me, I don't really manage like family funds because I don't have a family, my own family yet. But for me personally, as a young adult who has an income, I manage my expenses by keeping track of everything. I make sure to like put down every single thing I spend on, and then if I plan on like buying something on the more pricey side, I make a budget or see how it fits within like what I earned that month or how much savings I have. So I just like using like Google Sheets and stuff like that. But if I have the opportunity to not spend, I don't really spend. I don't really like splurge a lot unless I'm on vacation or something. So yeah, I don't really buy a lot of expensive things unless I need it for work. So like phone, camera, these I all use for social media. So yeah, that's my answer. But more simple because I don't have my own family.
Very good answer, daughter.
Okay, so let's move on to the main topic,
Okay.
which is Christmas. So we're gonna be talking about how we spend the holiday season since it's almost Christmas time. Would you say Christmas is your favorite holiday?
Christmas? Oh, yes. Yes.
Why?
I love going to, I remember, I would love going to Rustan's because usually meron na silang maganda yung nila, yung Christmas,
Packaging, wrap.
the music when you go to the mall, right? Maganda yung ambiance rin sa store kasi puro mga maganda yung kanilang mga Christmas decors, no? So, yun. What do you remember about Christmas, daughter?
Christmas?
With the D family.
For me, I associate Christmas with vacation.
With vacation.
Every December, we usually have a trip abroad.
Yes.
As far as I can recall, I think the first one was probably when I was like 4 years old, and we went to
Yes, we started
Hong Kong. We went to
yung
Hong Kong.
celebrating Christmas out of the country 2007
7. So
when I retired.
I was 4 years old when Dad retired from corporate.
Yes.
So
And the first time you went to Disneyland, right?
yes, and I got lost. I think.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so yun. Ano pa yung memories mo, daughter, sa Christmas
Well,
with the D fam?
Every year since then, I think my parents have tried to let us go abroad every year. I think it was almost every year, right? That we
Not naman
went
every
abroad.
year because
Almost every year.
oo, kasi meron rin siyempre masaya rin na tayo, no? That we spend Christmas with my parents or your
Yeah.
lolo and lola.
Well, not
no?
necessarily Christmas, but like December. we
Yes,
go out.
oo.
Yeah.
Or sometimes before we go out of the country, we go to lolo and lola, no?
Yeah.
At least before Christmas or before we leave for abroad, no?
Yeah.
I remember when you were kids, ano naman yung Christmas talaga eh, di ba? Kasi sabi na it's for the children yun eh, yung Christmas. Alam mo ba yun?
No.
Hindi. Kami nung boomer
For the
mga
kids?
boomer.
No.
Yeah, because it's about yung getting the gifts, si
Yeah.
Santa.
Santa.
Di ba?
I don't really remember Santa.
You're excited.
Did
You're
Santa ever visit us?
always, daughter. I
I don't remember that.
Ay nako, daughter. There was a time that you really believed in Santa.
Dad, some people, so we
Hey,
have children that are watching.
Not my online children, daughter.
What?
Alam naman nila kung ano si Santa.
Dad, what if they still believe?
O, di, okay. Santa's real. So, no, talaga noon, ang ginagawa namin noon, we would go out of the house, remember? And we would go to Lola and Lola.
Yeah.
If you remember that, sa Parañaque, baka you can't remember anymore.
Yeah, I can.
So, we will leave, let's say, on the 24th.
Yeah.
Tapos Christmas Eve, no? So, pag labas natin ng house noon, sasakay ako sa car, tapos I will go back. Yung kunwari, may naiwan ako sa bahay. Then I will put something in the Christmas tree. Pag alis natin kasi, wala pang gifts yon. So, sasakay na akong car, pero babalik ako. And put gifts there. So we spend Christmas with Lola and Lola. Pagbalik natin, papasok kayo sa house. Dad, look, there's gifts. From whom? From Santa. Diba? You don't remember
don't
that?
remember that.
Ah, ganun yung daughter.
I think I remember one time our stockings had like nerds. That's all I remember.
No, may ano yan, daughter. Strategic yun eh. Strategic yun, di ba? But of course, habang tumatanda,
How about Tooth Fairy?
Tooth Fairy? Wala, hindi natin ginawa yun eh.
Really?
Oh, I don't remember doing that, daughter.
Is it because your mom and
my-
your sister are dentists?
Oo, pero hindi kasi nila ginawa sa akin yun eh.
Your parents
Tooth Fairy.
didn't do Tooth Fairy? Because she's a dentist.
No. Never did. What else can you remember about our
Christmas?
celebration, daughter?
We always have like a game night, or we always do like a fun gathering, like
Oh,
at
yes.
home
Oo.
or
Oo.
Lola's house.
Hindi kasi yan ang advantage of having a big family. Di ba? You don't need to invite friends. It's
Yeah.
always, para kang you have a party already. Tayo lang, 9 na tayo eh.
Yeah.
Already a party, daughter.
Yeah.
Diba? So, pag nag-exchange gift na tayo, medyo matagal-tagal pa eh.
Oh yeah, exchange gift. That's a big one. It's so fun since we're 9. The exchange gift is so fun.
Oh.
I remember I'm super lucky with exchange gift because I always either get mom or dad or
Yeah.
Ate Kim. So it's like people who are like willing to buy more things
Yeah.
on the list.
Over the budget.
Go a lot over the budget.
Yeah.
So mom, dad, and Ate Kim or whoever would always get me like either everything on my list or like a very expensive version of what's on my list.
Yeah.
I'm just really lucky when it comes to exchange gift.
Yeah.
So if you're in a big family, highly recommend exchange gift. Super fun. When you buy a gift, you have to buy 8 of them. You have to
Oh.
think what will everybody like.
Yes. And when we buy gifts, daughter, one consideration would be
Fairness.
fairness. Ang galing mo talaga, daughter.
Yeah.
Fairness. Kasi as much as possible in our family, although, siyempre, it's easier said than done, no? Is how to be fair to all, no? Ang isa dyan would be the value.
Like monetary.
Monetary,
Price,
yes. The monetary.
yes.
So pag may nagbigay ka sa isa, you want to make sure also na hindi siya malayo doon sa yung value doon sa isang bibigay mo. Or at least doon sa 7 sa inyo, no? As much as possible, halos on the same price range. Even now, pag nagbigay kami ng isang item sa inyo, kailangan lahat meron. You know that, daughter? Yeah, you know that, daughter.
Guys, every time I see something that I know for a fact my parents got, I'm like, who got that for you?
Oh. Yeah, but yung last we will not tell anymore kung ano yung binigay namin gift sa inyo. With no occasion, di ba?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So, ang ginawa namin doon, dahil kulang yung item na yon, we had to buy.
Yeah.
Di ba? We bought in Japan, 2 para lahat meron.
My parents have this very odd way of giving gifts, or maybe specifically my mom, that she makes us draw lots. Because we're like 5 girls. She makes us draw lots. She like puts 5 gift options and makes it draw lots, so it's fair. Which I mean, that makes sense, I guess.
Yeah, because
Makes a lot of sense,
ang
but it's just funny.
yes, but because what we're thinking kasi, daughter, yung items kasi na yan, alam mo, jewelries.
Yeah, it's worth different prices.
Oo, malaki yung difference
so if it's draw
niyan.
lots, it's not
Oo,
unfair.
hindi yan halimbawa, let's say, clothes.
Yeah.
Yung clothes, if ever, kaunti lang ang price difference niyan. If it's jewelries, malaki ang price difference niyan. Di ba? May diamond, alam mo, may gold or whatever, may combination. So, malaki ang price difference. So, how do you treat that, no?
Draw lots.
Draw lots. Di ba? Para fair.
Unique solution.
Oh, I think that's our that's the D way, daughter.
The DUA.
The D way.
Okay.
To be fair.
And also, I think during holidays, we go out more, probably. Because I think more people are at home, especially before, when we were all like studying. That's the time when there's no school. So we'd all be at home.
Yes. We like going out kasi, daughter Ako, me and your mom, we really like going out. Kahit na yung time na hindi masyadong malaki yung ating, yung ating budget, we still go out. I can't even remember kung may na-miss kami Usually, pagdating Saturday, Sunday, because ako work ko is Monday to Friday lang, no? So, we take the opportunity to go out Saturday and Sunday, with you guys. Sabi, it started with Kuya lang, no? It was 1994. Isa lang
the
yun.
eldest child.
Then after another year, 2, then 3, etc. So yun, kahit na simple lang yun, hindi naman kailangan, you don't have to spend that much also. Kami, laging we live within our means. Kung ano yung kaya namin, yun yung ginagawa natin. No? So kung ano yung restaurant na kaya nating ma-afford, that's where we go. Even lodging, let's say we go to Baguio, what can we afford? Importante yun Di ba? Di ba?
Do you think the way we've celebrated holidays has changed over the years?
Oh, yes.
I mean,
Oo.
my eldest brother is now 31.
Yes, because, well, ano yung mga given ngayon, no?
We're
Your
not-
kuya, si Ate Kim, si Ate Kichi, si Ate Chini, no? So more than 50% sa inyo now, they live separately already. So pagdating ng holidays, sometimes it's so difficult to to organize now, not like before. Na okay, let's go out, 'di ba? Silent tayo sa car dyan, alis na tayo, kumpleto tayo. But now it's different because they have their own schedule. At the same time, siyempre, like they stay yung isa nakatira halimbawa sa Makati, in Mandaluyong, a little bit far from Alabang, no? So we try to make sure that hindi sila nahihirapan din. So may mga adjustment na, not like before na it's so much easier.
So it's like hard to like gather everyone around during the holidays.
Oh yes,
A lot
because
harder than before.
no, you have a lot of friends. That's one. You have parties to go to. May mga boyfriend na. Di ba? May girlfriend na, di ba? So, yun. That's probably one of the bigger factors,
Well,
daughter.
isn't that in general?
What do you mean?
Like
For
that's not just
everybody?
during the holidays. That's like a
Oh,
year,
yes.
year-round
In
thing.
general.
Yeah.
Like, we're talking about holidays kasi.
Yeah.
But you're right. It's in general, no? Ngayon, halos lahat ng occasions,
My plus one.
may +1 or hindi pwede dahil may probably celebrating something, maybe their anniversary, whatever, diba? Or they have a party to go to. So it's ganun talaga that's the reality.
How does that make you feel as the parent?
At first, siyempre, it was sad, no, also, because you're used to always going out and you're always complete, no? Lagi tayong kompleto. We go out of the country, it's always complete, di ba? Well, di ba, kailan ba nag-start tayo hindi na complete? Start with Kuya, di ba? Na hindi siya sumama one time sa Japan. But before that, we're always complete. Lahat ng travel natin, whether it's local or out of the country, we're always complete. No? Ngayon, iba na eh. You have your priorities already. Even now, even kayo, you live with us, but you're also busy with other things. Diba? With what you're doing with social media. Ang dami yung activities. You attend mga events.
Barely.
A lot of events. Ate Kyla, she attends a lot of events. No? I would have to ask now, pag meron kaming lalabas kami ni Mami, who wants to go? Not like before, okay, let's go, guys, let's go. Ganun nila, automatic. And all of you will be excited to go out. No? Yung mga simple pleasures in
joys,
life. No?
yeah.
Simple joys.
Our last episode, by the way, was
Oo,
about simple
ngayon,
joys.
hindi na. Iba na siyempre iba na yung priorities. Iba na rin yung schedules or yung inyong satisfaction. Tumaas-taas na level siyempre. Tumataas ang standards nyo. So, ganun. Back to the holidays, di ba? So, ganun din. So, like, ano ba yun? Christmas last year, were we complete? No, we're not. We're not. We were...
For context, guys, ever since like after the pandemic, we've been spending almost every Christmas in Japan since that's like that's our spot. That's our favorite place to go. And of course, not everyone is available at that time. Like for example, Ate Chini, she has duty. So it's really like a non-negotiable.
So ngayon naman, like a New Year, minsan si Ate Kim wala because she would have to go back
To
and
training.
because meron siyang training, no? Oo, so I'm not sure now. For Christmas, probably
Majority.
will not be with us. I mean, with the siblings mo.
Ate Chini has duty.
Ate Chini has duty. At Kichi also has her work, no? Si Kuya is also busy, no?
But
He's
we're-
training.
But we're going with Kuya to Singapore.
Oh,
That'll be
yes,
exciting.
yes.
We haven't had a trip with him in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's going with us second
December.
week. Yeah, in December.
Yeah.
So that's exciting.
Yes.
It's always nice to go out with the fam.
Uh-huh.
So for me, like as the youngest, I think I think I'm gonna be the one who watches, like similar to my parents, I'm watching everyone move out also because I mean, once you move out, you don't really see everyone else move out. So me, it's like, the house used to be really loud.
Oh, yeah.
Used to be so much company.
Yes.
Now I can just chill in the couch.
No, you can remember that, daughter, no?
What?
When you were 7, nandito kayo sa
Yeah,
house?
it's like very chaotic. There's so much people to talk to.
Uh-huh.
Now it's just us three. But to be fair though, the all of us in the house, me, Dara, Dekay, we're quite noisy also. But like obviously it's different when you're 9. It's very, very loud. What do you look forward to during the holidays?
Me? Always naman, daughter, I look forward to enjoying the holidays with the family. That's it. That's it, di ba?
Really?
Wala, ano ba yung...
The lights, the music, the vibe, it's like when you're in the holidays, it feels like a whole different like time. It feels
Yeah, but
like,
of course,
it's like a movie.
siyempre,
Yeah.
we never forget that what Christmas is all about, right? Jesus, it's his birthday. That's Christmas. It's a celebration, daughter, with the family, exchanging gifts and greeting cards.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Going to the malls, looking at the lights, right?
And never forgetting that Christmas is truly in our hearts.
And yes, and truly in our hearts. And of course, daughter, yung time na to, minsan, we forget yung diet natin. We sometimes, we waive our
Yes.
diet.
December
No?
is when you eat
for the,
a lot.
For the Christmas season,
Yes.
di ba? So,
Everyone
after the
gains weight
season,
December.
then you go back to the gym.
New Year's resolution, go to the gym.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
True.
Yun, it's happy times, daughter.
Yes. Very, very happy times.
Best time of the year.
Yes.
Di ba? Yun talaga yung what we look forward to. Pero ang bilis, no?
Yeah.
Daughter, talagang life is so short, daughter.
Yeah. Why the difference?
Christmas na naman, daughter.
Do you think there's a difference between how you spent Christmas when you were a kid versus how we spent Christmas? How did you spend Christmas as a kid?
Ayun, I'm always looking forward to the gifts sa Christmas tree.
Did you also
From
have
Santa.
Santa?
Yes.
How did Santa go to your house?
Santa?
Yeah. How would Santa go to your house? When you wake up?
Yes, you wake up early because you go to the Christmas tree.
Then Santa
Diba?
already put the gifts there.
Yes, may gifts na yun. Walang mintis yun, daughter. Diba? Yun talaga yung ano mo, yung excited ka. Tapos meron ka siyempre socks doon. Diba? Your parents...
Stocking.
Stockings. Stockings. Hindi ba socks yun?
Yeah, it's a sock. It's a sock. It's a big sock.
Lalagay mo yan. Sabi sa parents mo, don't forget, don't forget your stockings. Diba? So we make sure meron kami guests. Excited na kami to we sleep early, no, because we're looking forward to the following day na to check kung meron talagang gift si Santa.
And then there is.
Oh, yes.
You get the least gifts because you're the middle child.
Oh, no. Pare-pareho nga eh. Okay nga. Pansin ko nga si Santa eh. Alas pare-pareho kami ng gifts. Equally distributed daughter yon. Yung gifts namin. Pare-pareho. Yung ano
Like three
talaga.
of everything.
Yes. Talagang ganun kabait si Santa. Di ba? Ano siya, alam niya na yung fairness is talagang ina-emphasize
And
talaga
then
niya.
your parents get you a separate gift pa.
Oh, definitely. Separate gift.
Oh, but is it equal?
The gift usually of the parents is more pricey compared to the gift of Santa.
Santa's just a simple gift giver.
More of candies, mga ganun.
Okay.
Kasi siyempre, sinasabi naman sa amin ng parents namin na hindi kaya ni Santa yun. Dami niyang binibigay ng gifts, di ba? Di ba? Pumumulobi si Santa kung expensive gift din. So kung ano lang yung kaya ni Santa, di ba?
So is there a difference between Christmas before and Christmas now or no? Not really.
Oh, well, siyempre, boomer na ako doon. For me, in my case.
Yes, for you.
Siyempre, hindi na ako bata doon. What do you expect? There's a
No,
big difference.
I mean, celebrating Christmas. Is there a difference in the world?
What? In the Philippines, you mean?
In the Philippines, yeah.
Um,
Not really. No, same lang.
Parang there is, daughter.
What? It's less festive.
Parang, I don't know, daughter. Parang Christmas before was
More Christmassy.
more Christmassy.
Yeah.
O more Christmassy. Parang you really feel yung
Holiday.
yung the holiday, like you go to church, tapos yung mga puto bongbong, mga ganon, bibingka. Yung traditional, yung caroling, we do that before sa province.
You do caroling?
Yes, sa
You
province.
sing around?
Yes, we do that, daughter.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Oo.
You and your siblings or just you?
Hindi, kasama yung relatives.
Like all the relatives? So you knock on the door, Christmas carolers style?
Yes, yes.
I didn't know that.
Oo.
Why didn't you let us do that? That's why we're not good at singing now.
Sa you do it in Alabang? Sa province, daughter, meron. Dito, di ba? Baka sabihin sa'yo, tama na yan. Ano sabi ng daughter?
What?
Pag may nagkakaroling sa bahay mo,
Huh? What?
ha? Sa Pasko na.
What?
Bumalik na kayo sa Pasko. Ganun yung daughter.
What does that even mean? Go back to
Hindi,
Christmas?
kasi usually, nagkakaroling yan before Christmas. So, pag nagkakaroling yan, usually, pag sasabihin sa'yo, sa Pasko na kayo bumalik. Ganun yun. Pagdating naman ng Christmas, magkakaroling ulit sila, wala ka sa bahay. Kasi may bisita ka na sa relatives mo. Sa Pasko ka na bumalik. Ganun. Tapos, pag binigyan mo naman ng, bibigyan mo ng pera. Di ba, kumakanta sila? Ano kinakanta nila after nabigyan ng pera?
What?
Thank you. Thank you. Ang babarat ninyo. Thank you.
What?
Ang babarat.
That's new. I've never heard that. Ang babarat ninyo?
Ang babarat ninyo. Thank you.
Wow.
Di mo alam yun?
Did they sing that to you before?
No.
That's what? If you give what? 10 pesos?
Yung kurips.
If you give 10 pesos?
Parang ang kukuripot nyo. Thank you.
Did they actually say that? That's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Really? That's so
Daughter,
mean.
ano ka ba?
What you gave? What if all
Daughter,
they can give is 10 pesos?
even now, yung mga
They're ang babarat ninyo, thank you.
Ah.
What the heck? That's so
Ang
mean.
babarat ninyo. Thank you.
How about your Christmas meal setups at home? What would you eat in your house?
For Christmas? Well, before, during...
Your time.
Well, Lola kasi she's a good cook. So, meron siya mga...
Seven Jewels.
Yan, Chicken Alexander. Meron siya tawag na Seven
Jewels.
Siyempre, may mga fruits, cake, etc. Okay naman. Siyempre, it's ano yun talaga. Christmas Eve yun eh. What makes you excited about the Christmas season?
What makes me excited?
Or excited, or what do you like when it's Christmas
I
season?
really like the exchange gift. It's my favorite part. That's why every year I make them guys, let's do exchange gift.
Mm.
They're not as excited as me
Oo. Oo.
because I'm the youngest.
Oo. And daughter, yung isa kasi daughter, also what I look forward when it's Christmas season is the weather
In the Philippines?
in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, it's a little colder.
Yes, di ba?
Windy.
Kaya mafe-feel mo yun yung gustong-gusto ko daughter nun. Pag naka-jacket ako, then I will go to the mall. Di ba? Yung time of the year, no? Sa Philippines na medyo maganda yung weather. Di ba? Parang feel mo na yun. Parang Christmas na yun pag naka-jacket ka na eh.
Yeah.
Right? Kasi pagkatapos na mainit na uli.
Yeah.
Pagdating ng January, malamig pa rin ng January, no? But after that, painit na uli.
Yeah.
Di ba? So yun, it's nice. Yung meron kang simbang gabi. So yun, daughter, noon daughter, when it's Christmas season, you visit your ninong. Para meron kang kamasko. Hindi mo nagawa yung daughter, no?
No, I don't do that.
You don't do that?
I should do that.
Noon daughter, we go to our ninongs.
All of them.
Siyempre, with
one
my
by
parents,
one.
no?
Yeah.
So we go there. Ang expectation noon, actually almost 100%. When you go to their house, you visit, papakainin ka nila, di ba? Then meron sa yung yun. Meron sa yung gift.
Is it the one in
Either
the
in
red
cash
envelope?
or ready na yung gift para sa iyo. So kung let's say, kami noon, I have 2 siblings, no? Meron rin sila, but yung akin mas may value. Minsan wala sila, ako lang. Kasi ako lang yung inaanak. So we go to all our ninongs and ninangs.
Smart.
Oh, during the time, it was like that.
You don't do that. You didn't do that with us, eh?
Oo, kasi
Ang layo na. They're far.
Oo.
We have too much ninongs and
hindi,
ninangs.
may mga
'cause we're
tradition
7.
kasi daughter na halos nawala na sa Philippines. I think that's one of them.
Really? Yeah, it's my first time hearing about that.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Noon talagang yan, you visit your ninong and ninang pag Christmas.
Kawawa naman the ninang and ninong.
Namamasko ka, ha?
Forced to give you money.
Actually, they're happy. Happy naman sila na Ngayon siguro, ganun ng thinking siguro, no?
Zoomer thinking.
Sumer thinking daughter, yung kawawa naman yung ninong and ninang.
Yeah.
But noon, yun? You're happy to see your inaanak. It's just once a year. Ano ka ba naman? Once a year lang yun.
Boomer versus Zoomer.
Oh, you're happy. Diba? So, yun. It's isang tradition yun. Yung Christmas caroling. Diba? You have Noche Buena. Diba? Yung before mag 12 o'clock, dapat ready na yung food mo. Pagdating ng 12 o'clock, Merry Christmas! That's the time that you eat. Usually, 12 o'clock kakain. May yung simbang gabi. Di ba? Yun where meron kang, aside when you go to church, meron kang bibingka, puto bongbong. Di ba? Masaya yung Christmas. Ngayon, hindi na siya masyadong ginagawa. Maybe it's, I don't know sa province daughter. Kasi noon, usually we do that. Dito, also here in Manila, no? But sa province yun, may mga caroling. Dito, I never experienced doing it here in Manila. No? Delikado baka ma-hold up ko dito.
What?
Diba? Magkakaroling ka, mamaya yung kinakaroling mo, diba? Criminal pala yun. I experienced doing that sa province, daughter.
What?
Kasi
you got
sa
held
province,
up in the province?
no, in the province kasi, usually makilala mo lahat yan. Not like in Metro Manila, di ba?
Yeah.
So it's also difficult to do it here.
Yeah.
Kasi kakariling ka, may pera ka yun. Ma-hold up ka pa. Right? Oh. So, yun ang mga ginagawa namin dati na masaya.
Yeah.
You don't do this now, no, daughter?
Our tradition is we go on vacation.
Yes.
So that's our tradition.
So you never experienced visiting your ninong and ninang?
No, definitely not.
However, some of your ninong and ninang from time to time would send gifts, right?
Yeah, of course.
Not all.
Not all.
Shout
Not
out
all.
to
Only
the other ninong
if
and
I make
ninangs there.
parinig.
You don't get to eat puto bongbong and bibingka in sa church, no?
In general, I don't like puto bongbong or bibingka. I'm a very picky eater, guys. Fun fact. So, yeah, no, I don't.
Have you experienced Christmas caroling?
Other people, I think so, yeah, I have.
Oh, really?
I mean, like in the other day, I was in Danghari in Army Navy, and there were Christmas carolers.
No, you, as in you.
Me, like singing.
Singing.
No, I can't sing.
Oh, come on, daughter. You're so humble.
What?
What,
I
daughter?
can't sing.
I have a video of you singing,
What the
daughter.
heck?
Eh.
No,
Galing-galing
I've
eh.
never
Karen
experienced Christmas
Carpenter.
caroling. Oh my
You're
gosh,
like a Karen
Dad,
Carpenter,
stop
ano.
exposing me.
No, but you did well, daughter, di ba?
Yeah.
Nag-schooling nga
No,
kayo
I've
eh.
never experienced Christmas caroling.
Why don't we invite your sister here?
What?
We'll sing on Hark the Herald.
What the heck?
Kai, we have a request for this for Christmas. Can we sing Hark the Herald? Hark the Herald.
Angels sing.
Glory to the newborn King.
Okay, so that's Dad and other guys duet. That's their favorite song to duet. Of course, also on the holidays, you spend more than usual.
Oh yes. For gifts alone, daughter, di ba? Ito, hindi lang to yung for the children, di ba?
For your parents, for your
Parents,
friends.
other relatives. Yes, tapos siyempre you have exchanged gifts with your neighbors.
We do?
Yes.
Parang I didn't make up about that.
Hindi.
Exchange gifts.
Exchange
Okay, I get
gifts.
it's like not the traditional exchange gift.
Oh,
It's like the
no,
one
no,
where
yeah,
you
you-
have like gift baskets for
Yes,
neighbors,
for
and
your
it's
neighbors.
an unsaid rule that you have to give
Yeah.
everybody.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're wondering who's the assigned elf, it's me. I go around to the houses. I'm like, knock, knock, knock. Merry Christmas. And I give them like the baskets with like the orange and the nuts and the
Yes,
whatever.
yes.
It's me. Knock, knock, knock.
Diba?
Merry Christmas.
Ano yun
That's
eh?
me.
It's the season of giving, daughter. Diba? Diba yung mga sinasabi, it's better to
What?
give than to receive.
Is that a saying? Did you just make that up
No,
right
no,
now?
no, daughter. It's better,
better
to
to
give
give than to
receive. Guys, comment you heard that saying.
Did you just make that up right now?
No. You don't know that?
Guys, if you
It's
haven't
better to give than to receive.
if you haven't been watching our recent episodes, I say a lot of sayings and that
Oh,
is
I'm
struggling to
sure
keep up.
if we have boomers there listening
Someone
now.
commented that Dad needs to read more.
Yes. Hindi, itong it's better to give than to receive. Ano yan? Laging sinasabi yan, daughter.
No, I
before.
don't know that.
Hindi na ba sinasabi ngayon niya?
No, I don't know that. Speaking of holiday spending, today's episode is brought to you by Maya, the #1 digital bank in the Philippines. Thank you, Maya, for sponsoring today's video.
Oh, daughter, we have a sponsor today.
Yes,
Level up na
finally.
tayo,
Thanks,
daughter.
guys. We finally have a sponsor. So, first sponsor of the podcast. Thank you, Maya.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Yes.
For supporting.
And since we've been talking so much on this podcast about spending, saving, how we save as a family of 9, this is a perfect partnership for us.
Oh, yes. Definitely, daughter. Kasi, daughter, nung panahon namin, every peso counted.
And now that I'm older, I realize that spending doesn't necessarily mean you have to deprive yourself. It also means that your money is growing even if you're not touching it.
Oo naman, daughter. Hindi dapat puro tipid. Dapat meron kang strategy.
Yes, exactly. And that's the nice thing about Maya. It's built around this idea that you can still be smart without having to be super stressed. Like, instead of spending and hoping for the best, Maya actually makes sure that your money works for you. Guys, they actually offer up to 15% per year on your savings, which is one of the highest available rates right now. And what makes it different is that it actually works alongside your everyday spending. So the things you're already spending for, groceries, bills, online checkout, they can actually help boost your savings. It's like stacking your wins quietly. No extra steps, no need to overthink. Also, this holiday season, they're giving away 1 million pesos.
Ooh.
They're giving away another 1 million pesos if you refer your friends and family to Maya. So guys, that's 2 million pesos they're giving away.
2 million pesos, daughter.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Can we win this?
Yes, of course we can. All we have to do is spend 1,000 and then tell a friend or family member to join Maya. So it's that easy.
So the more you spend, the more chances of winning.
Yeah, if you ask people to sign up. So since we use Maya, I think we have a high chance of winning that, Dad.
Okay. Great.
And that's actually also why we're matching today, Dad.
Yeah.
Manifesting. We're manifesting this, guys. We're gonna win. If you guys want to check out the promo, you can check maya.com/xmas2025.
Oy, daughter, this is what I want. Hindi siya complicated. Di ba? So, akala kasi ng mga tao kasi, savings kasi means suffering, no? It's not. You can actually enjoy it pala, daughter. Pero, wise ka pa din.
Exactly. That's the real flex, Dad. Getting to celebrate and enjoy life without having to burn out your wallet. So, guys, if you're thinking about getting more intentional this holiday season with how you handle your money, you can check out Maya. It's a digital bank, so everything's just done in the app, which is very straightforward and easy.
Ay, daughter, kung meron palang Maya noon, daughter, mas maganda ang takbon buhay ng mga tao. Anything that helps you grow money without stress, yan ang masarap kasama sa buhay.
True that. So once again, thank you so much, Maya, for sponsoring today's episode and supporting conversations about smart, stress-free spending.
Thank you, Maya.
Now back to the episode. What's another tradition we forgot
Christmas
to talk
tree.
about? Christmas tree.
Diba?
What about the
May
Christmas
puto
tree?
pa Christmas tree.
Yes.
Diba? Yung mga dekorasyon sa Christmas
Yeah.
tree. Actually, kulang ang Christmas pag wala kang Christmas tree. Diba?
Yes. So us, we set up our Christmas tree like November,
Yes.
September.
Gusto nga ng mami mo, ano pa
Yeah.
lang Start ng bare months, may Christmas tree
Yeah.
na. September 1, may Christmas tree na.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, ang problema, meron pang November 1, daughter. Diba? May Halloween pa
When you were younger, was that a thing? Like bare months? Did people start celebrating Christmas na September?
I don't remember it that way, daughter.
Because now that's like everyone's thing, right? It's like when it's bare months, it's Christmas na.
Maybe it's just a marketing thing, daughter.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alam mo, ang galing kasi, daughter, ng mga
Marketers.
You're in marketing, daughter.
Yes, I finished marketing. Woo.
Pero mo, in-emphasize nila, September pa lang Christmas na.
Yeah.
When you go to the mall, September 1 pa lang, Christmas songs na.
Yeah.
Why?
True. Marketing. So that
Marketing.
you buy Christmas
Yes,
stuff.
people are excited. They go to the mall.
Yeah.
They hear the Christmas songs.
Maybe that's why Christmas
so they
doesn't-
buy more, daughter. They buy
Yeah.
gifts.
Maybe that's why Christmas doesn't feel so Christmassy because they like stretch it out over such a long period of time.
Pwede, daughter. Oo, parang ano na,
What? Water down.
may Christmas fatigue na.
Christmas fatigue.
Hindi naman siguro, daughter.
That's new.
Christmas fatigue. Eh, biro mo September pa lang, September 1 pa lang, pa Christmas season na.
True.
Diba?
By the time it's actually Christmas, sawa na.
Oo. Usually dapat, ako naman sa tingin ko, at least naman after man lang Halloween. Di ba, daughter?
Yeah.
May All Souls Day pa, di ba? Oo. So, I don't know, Philippines lang yata ang ganun
Yeah.
The longest Christmas season
Yeah, it
in the
is.
world.
Yeah.
It's in the Philippines, di ba?
It is.
Of course, it's a Catholic country. Going back to your question, ganun ba during our time, no? Yung mga boomers, I don't remember it that way. Probably December yan, nafe-feel mo na yung Christmas season. December 1. Kasi number 1, lumalamig na yung weather. Di ba? Tapos, meron na yung mga simbang gabi, mga ganun. But I never remembered Christmas season started September 1, no? Parang yun. Masyadong it's...
New gen thing.
Yeah, maybe for the new generation. Yun, yung mga importante, daughter, for yung mga importante when there's Christmas, ano yung mga must na nakikita natin, di ba? Ano pa, daughter?
Christmas tree, Christmas stocking, Christmas lights, parole, Christmas
Fireworks,
parole.
daughter.
Fireworks?
Fireworks. Yeah.
Fireworks.
Oo naman, daughter.
More of a New Year's thing.
Yeah, it's a New Year's thing, but let's bet, daughter, pagdating ng December 24, Christmas Eve, may mga fireworks.
Probably.
Oh, daughter lang. 2 days ago lang, may fireworks na nga. Daughter, di ba? You remember we went to this event?
Yes, we saw fireworks the
Oh,
other
there's
day.
fireworks already. Oh, kasi nag-uumpisa na yung celebration.
So what do you think the message of the holiday season is? Appreciate life, appreciate your family, celebrate joy, celebrate
Oh,
Jesus.
yes. Well, yeah. Siyempre, yung noon, lagi sinasabi kasi yung parang you should be grateful, no? You have your family, you're celebrating with your family, buo kayo. Kaya laging sinasabi nun, pag Christmas, lagi kayo dapat sana kompleto. Diba? Kasi yun it's once a year. So yun ang pinaka main essence of the celebration. Diba, daughter?
Yes.
Ay, kumisa nawawala na yun
Yeah.
Parang ang Christmas na lang is it's about going to parties. Di ba? Hindi na
Christmas
naisip what Christmas is all about.
Yeah.
Kaya Christmas nga, daughter, Christ. Di ba?
Yes.
It's Christ, daughter.
So what are you most looking forward to for Christmas this year, Dad?
Looking forward to?
Finally getting to relax.
Well, we're spending Christmas out of the country, right? I just want to make sure when it's Christmas Day, kahit na we're not together, no, as a family, we're able to communicate man lang, di ba? Importante yun. So kahit usually naman we do that
FaceTime.
Nag-FaceTime tayo. Like si
Yes.
Kuya, I remember it was New Year and Kuya was not with us, di ba? So nag-FaceTime tayo nung,
Yes.
that's important. Communication
Is key.
is key.
as they say.
Yes, very important, especially sa family. That's
Yes.
very important. When we're out of the country, where do we celebrate Christmas Eve? Ang problem kasi, the daughter, di ba? When you're out of the country, usually 8 o'clock sarado na yung mga stores. Di ba? So pag Christmas Eve, we cannot celebrate it outside.
No, we know places.
Wala ng transportation.
That's true.
You have
That's
to
true.
be home
That's true.
already. We'll probably just spend it where we're staying.
Yeah.
Right?
Just chill, simple
Chill.
joys.
Yeah,
You
simple
don't need to,
joys. As long as you're
have a
together, that's
grand
what's important.
celebration. Yeah.
You can play games.
Exactly.
Play games, daughter. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, call your loved ones. Right?
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life, daughter.
Celebrate life.
Celebrate
Celebrate the
life.
simple joys.
Simple
That's
joys.
the holiday
Make
season.
every day count.
Exactly.
If you make every day count, what more Christmas Eve, no? Or Christmas Day, right? Very important
Well,
day.
I prefer Christmas Eve to Christmas Day.
Really?
In terms of I feel like during Christmas Eve, it's more festive than during Christmas. Because, all the build up is there. And then,
It's a build-up.
Noche Buena. But then 25, it's okay.
Kasi daughter, during my time, okay, so when it's Christmas Eve, di ba, you have Noche Buena, di ba, you eat, exchange gifts, etc. The following day, that's the time that you go to your ninong and ninangs. Oo, yun yung time to go to your ninong and ninangs. Kasi siyempre, you don't sell, di ka naman pupunta ng Christmas Eve sa kanila.
Yeah.
Yung Christmas Day, ito yung pinupuntahan mo sila. Yun.
We don't
Diba?
do that. Yeah.
So, usually go there for merienda. So, meron ka ngayong additional gift.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, kung marami kang ninong, di ba? So, marami ka ring gifts. All right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We
As
talk a
much
lot.
as we did, daughter.
Yes, we talk a lot about holidays, about Christmas, about
Yes.
our experience, my experience versus his experience.
Yes.
He clearly got more gifts from all his ninangs and ninongs, but
Yes.
that's okay.
You know what, daughter? I am still hoping, no, that what I have experienced before as a boomer, my experience nyo.
What do you mean? Let's
yung Christmas.
go.
I mean, yung
Let's
Christmas.
drive to my ninong's house.
Not only that, yung caroling, di ba, yung
What do
diniscuss
you mean?
natin.
You didn't tell us to do that.
Oh, di ba? Yung caroling naman, my parents did not tell me to do that.
Wow, you volunteered to go caroling?
No, with my cousins. It doesn't have to be with your relatives. With your friends, right? Yung mga friends mo. Mag-caroling kayo dito sa bahay.
I'll tell my friends. Guys, let's go to the house. Let's go.
Make sure lang, when you go here, wala kami. Kasi baka may sabihin nyo, ang babarat ninyo, thank you.
Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for
like this
yes.
video, rate us on Spotify, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. If you don't follow Barney Adventures on TikTok and Instagram, make sure to follow Barney Adventures. Me as well. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Bye, guys. Happy holidays.
Bye. Happy holidays.